welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking at Carroll Lutheran Village. My name's Mason.
I'm Layla, and today we're making
Chicken Tonkatsu. And what we're going to start with is our sauce that we're building. And that consists of some coconut milk, lime juice, smoked paprika, honey, granulated garlic, curry powder, and salt and pepper. And you mix all that together with some onions and carrots, and you get this sauce. And then what we have is a seasoned chicken breast that's covered with panko and fried, and we have some plain white rice. Now what we're gonna do is take some rice, put it onto the plate, spread it out nicely, and then while I cut this, Layla can put some sauce on the plate. Thank you. And then chicken right in the middle. And we take some fresh cut spring onion, kind of over the top.
This will be available in Cafe and Bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday.
Thanks
Thank you
for
for
watching.
watching.